Joy Guru. With Shatakoti Pranam at the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur and all members of Thakur Puribar, I welcome you to the evening Satsang. This is a wonderful ensemble of bhajan, kirtan, evening prayer, meditation, recitation from the holy books, and enlightening discussions. Through these Sharon, Manon, and Kirtan, I pray our minds reach a higher level. We begin the program with a bhajan, Tomar Hoye Nitya Sathi, composed by Pujaniya Babaida. It will be presented by Ishtaprana Momita Ma from Montreal. Joy Guru.
জয় গুরু। তোমার হয়ে নিত সাথী যেন প্রভু, তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি দ্বন্দ্ব দ্বিধা মান অভিমান অবাধ সমর্পণে দ্বন্দ্ব দ্বিধা মান অভিমান অবাধ সমর্পণে সার্থকতায় ভরবে জীবন তোমার চরণে তোমার হয়ে নিত সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি মায়ার ফাঁদে কঠিন ধাঁধা যেন না হয় পথের বাধা মায়ার ফাঁদে কঠিন ধাঁধা যেন না হয় পথের বাধা মন যেন চায় অবাধ হয়ে মন যেন চায় অবাধ হয়ে সদাই তোমার পানে তোমার হয়ে নিত সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি জানি তোমায় বাসলে ভালো সে পায় তোমার আলো আলো জানি তোমায় বাসলে ভালো সে পায় তোমার আলো আলো তোমায় প্রভু কোলে সেবা মুক্তি মেলে জীবনে তোমার হয়ে নিত সাথী যেন প্রভু
Thank you, Momitama, for the melodious bhajan. May Sri Sri Thakur bless you and family with all the elements of being and becoming. In the next event, our beloved Guru Bhai, Yusuf Khanda from Toronto, will share his experience of initiation. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru everyone. As much as I am excited to be a part of today's satsang, I am grateful too to be given an opportunity in such a big platform like the NVU 2021. I am relatively a recent member of the satsang family, and I am sure people here know much more facts about Thakur than me. However, I do have my own feelings, realization, and experiences after coming under his supreme guidance, and that is what I would like to share in this forum. Let's start from the beginning then. I came to Canada as a PR with dreams and hopes like everyone else. I wanted to make it big, make my family proud. But destiny had its own course. My beginning was quite shaky and I was struggling to find the right job. My funds from India were depleting and I really had my clock ticking. Finally, I had to accept jobs I did not have my heart into. And needless to say, I felt underemployed and disappointed. I used to hardly share my days of struggle with my family, as I did not want them to worry. Slowly, this was choking me from inside, as I could not share my issues with anyone. But as they say, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And I called up a childhood friend of mine who came to Canada during the same time as mine. I vented out all my frustration to her, and she could instantly understand that I lacked mental peace. This friend of mine, whose name is Priyanka, her entire family is devout to Sri Sri Thakur. Probably that's why, even after coming to Canada during the same time as mine, she had already achieved a lot in such less time. Divinity always plays a role in one's success, and she was a glaring example of that. She counseled and told sometimes to have a grip in your life, you need to hold on to a strong anchor who can keep you steady even in the strongest of turbulences. Complexes will always be a part of our lives, but the battle is to win over them and not be bogged down by them. She told me to come under the guidance of Sri Sri Thakur, as his mercy and benevolence are known throughout the world. I'll be honest, I was skeptical in the beginning, more so because I belong to a different faith, and having questions in mind is natural. She too told me that you must satisfy all your doubts and then only take a decision. And so I kept asking her questions after questions. And one fine day, when all my doubts disappeared, and I realized that Sri Sri Thakur and his teachings is a way of life, a life of being and becoming, a system of life and growth, I readily agreed for the holy initiation. SPR Sanjeev Das personally called me before my initiation and said, I must respect my own religion first, offer my prayers and do the needful, and simultaneously do have Sri Sri Thakur as my idol. The next day I had my holy initiation and my life changed after that. I am through 5 months of my initiation and I can confidently say that my life is way more sorted. I'm finally working with a telecom giant, and by the grace of Thakur, I am one of the top performers. I can finally call up my parents and tell them I am happy and doing good without the need to lie and hide. Personally, my mental health has also improved. Canada now feels like a home. I have a family away from home. That is the Satsang Canada family. I have always been an introvert all my life. But after coming in the light of Sri Sri Thakur, I am given opportunities to speak and to share my experiences in different satsang platforms. And this has improved my sense of communication, and I feel a lot more connected now to others. I feel after coming in the light of Sri Sri Thakur, I know the differences between right and wrong better. COVID has been the talk of the year and still is. When the rest of the world is still busy grieving about the pandemic, I feel we have already come out of the dark sinkhole of hopelessness as we are celebrating a grand Utsav in the honor of our love Lord. And that's a befitting reply to the sinister clutches of this deadly virus. When people are losing jobs, I am humbled to still have a decent job by His grace. When many of my colleagues are already down with the virus, I am still standing strong by His grace. When many around me are going through rough patches in their personal lives due to the depressing environment of the virus, my relationships have only gotten stronger by His grace. I know and respect my religion a lot more than I ever did after the initiation. I had performance pressure issues previously. I thought, I have to excel in whatever I do, which is not a bad thing unless you take it too seriously. And that is exactly what I did. But now I am relieved of my own mental shackles, as now I believe in letting Thakur's will be fulfilled in me. The beauty of satsang is to have a Hindu Guru Bhai, a Muslim Guru Bhai, a Sikh Guru Bhai, and a Christian Guru Bhai, all under the same parental guidance by the Supreme Beloved. We might not be connected by blood, but we are all connected by the same father figure, the Purushottam. Jai Guru.
Joy Guru. Thank you, Yusudha, for sharing your personal experience. May Sri Sri Thakur bless you and family with unquivering Ishtanishta. Now we have Jasmine Didi from Calgary, known as Poppy in Devghar Thakurbari. She is originally from Himayatpur, Pabna, and her family is very close to the members of the Sri Sri Thakur Puribar for 3 generations. Her grandfather Asabuddin Ahmed was a very close friend of Paramapujyapad Sri Sri Barda, whom she addresses as Pujaniya Dadu. She visits Thakurbari regularly and fondly addresses Paramapujyapad Acharya Dev Sri Sri Dada as Boro Mama. That shows the closeness of the relationship. She will share her experiences from her many visits to the Thakurbari. Jai Guru.
Hello, Jai Guru. I am Jasmine Sultana Poppy. I have fond memories of Sri Sri Thakur and family members. I was not lucky to meet Sri Sri Thakur and Pujaniya Dadu. I have grown up hearing wonderful stories from my grandfather Asabuddin Ahmed regarding Thakurbari. I remember our first visit to Devghar. Acharyadev Poromama has requested 2 rooms to be prepared for guests. I had not notified him of my travel plans. Boromami had told me, your Boromama loves you and your Dadu would have loved you as well. I had heard wonderful stories in Natmandop. I used to see people come with problems and left with a smile on their face, as their problems had been solved. I think once people left Thakurbari, they left with the goodness in their heart. On my second trip of Devghar, Param Pujaniya Boro Mama mentioned he wanted to visit Patna. I mentioned Boro Mama could live in my mother's house. He replied with a smile and said, I would visit Bangladesh once you have a house ready for me. It brings tears of happiness once I think of those fond memories above our religion, beliefs, nationality, and race. We are humans. My heartfelt well wishes and prayer for Sri Sri Thakur and his family. I hope all of you stay safe these difficult times. Jai Guru.
बार बार करो विनती राधा स्वामी आगे, दया करो दाता मेरे चित चरणन लागे। जन्म जन्म रही भूल में नहीं पाया भेदा, काल कर्म के जाल में रही भोगत खेदा। जगत जीव भर मत फिरे नित चारो खानी, ज्ञानी जोगी मिल रहे सब मन की घानी। भाग जगा मेरा आदिका मेरे सदगुरु आई, राधा स्वामी धाम का मही भेद जनाई। ऊंचा से ऊंचा देश है वह अधर ठिकानी, बिना संत पावे नहीं शुद्ध शब्द निशानी। राधा स्वामी नाम की मही महिमा सुनाई, विरह अनुराग जगाय के घर पहुँचू भाई। साधु संग कर सार रस मैंने पिया बखाई, प्रेम लगा गुरु चरण में मन शांतन आई। घर पर उठे वे कल रहूं कैसे पिया घर जाई, दर्शन रस नित नित लहूं गहे मन धीरताई। सूरत चढ़े आकाश में कर शब्द विलासा, धाम धाम निरखत चले पावे निज घर वासा। ये आशा मेरे मन बसे रहे चित्त उदासा, बिना सुनो कृपा करो निज चरण निवासा। तुम बिना कोई समरथ नहीं जैसे मांगो दाना, प्रेम धार बरखा करो कुल अमृत खाना। दीन दयाल दया करो मेरे समरथ स्वामी, शुक्र करूँगा वत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। तुम बिना कोई समरथ नहीं जैसे मांगो दाना, प्रेम धार बरखा करो फुल अमृत खाना। दीन दयाल दया करो मेरे समरथ स्वामी, शुक्र करूँगा वत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। शुक्र करूँगा वत रहूं नित राधा स्वामी। बार बार कर जोर कार सविनय करो पुकार, साधु संग मही देवनित परम गुरु दातार। कृपा सिंधु समरथ पुरुष आदि अनादि अपार, राधा स्वामी परम पितु मैं तुम सदा आधार। बार बार बर जाऊं तन मन और चरण पार, क्या मुखले मैं गाऊं मेहर करी जस कृपा करो। धन्य धन्य गुरुदेव दया सिंधु पुरन धनी, नित्य करो तुम सेवा अचल भक्ति मही देव प्रभु। दीनय दीनय नाथ हाथ हाथ मयान करो, अब राखो नित साथ। दीन दयाल कृपा निधि काम क्रोध मद लोभ सब विधि अवगुण हार मैं, प्रभु राखो मेरी लाज, तुम द्वारे अब मैं बड़ा। राधा स्वामी गुरु समर्थ, तुम बिन और न दूसरा, अब करो दया पर तक्ष, तुम द्वारे विलंब क्यों। दया करो मेरे साइया, देहो प्रेम की दार, दुख सुख कुछ व्यापी नहीं, छूटे सब उत्पात। दया करो मेरे साइया, देहो प्रेम की दार, दुख सुख कुछ व्यापी नहीं, छूटे सब उत्पात। बार बार कर जोर कार, सविनय करो पुकार, साधु संग महि देव नित, परम गुरु दातार। साधु संग महि देव नित, परम पिता। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर, गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानोदयान्तस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया, चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरजङ्गमं व्याप्तं येन कृष्णं चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिद्रूपेण परिव्याप्तं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरुरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरुरधिकं तव, तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथो श्री जगन्नाथो मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु, मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिनादिश्व गुरु परम दैवतं, गुरु परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परम शुभदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं, दण्डातीतं गगनसदृशं दत्तमशादिलक्ष्यम्, एकं नित्यं गगनमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं, भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि। सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि, सद्गुरुं त्वां नमामि। जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद बोलो रे। जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद बोलो रे। जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद बोलो रे। जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद बोलो रे। राधे गोविंद 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 बोले सदा डाको रे। राधे गोविंद 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 बोले सदा डाको रे। जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद बोलो रे। जय राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद बोलो रे। ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি, বদনে বলো হরি হরি। ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি, বদনে বলো হরি হরি। হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম, নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম। অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে। হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম, অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা, অজপা নামে করো রে রেশা। ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা, অজপা নামে করো রে রেশা। রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদলে লইয়ে, গোবিন্দ নামটি বদলে লইয়ে, নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে। রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে। রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি হরি। ছাড়ো রে মন কপট চাতুরি বদনে বলো হরি হরি। হরি বল 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 হরি বল। হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম। নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম। অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে। হরি নাম পরম ব্রহ্ম জীবেরই মূল ধর্ম। অধর্ম কুকর্ম ছাড়ো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অজপানামি করো রে রেশা। ছাড়ো রে মন ভবের আশা অজপানামি করো রে রেশা। রাধা বল 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 রাধা বল। রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে। রাধে গোবিন্দ নামটি বদনে লয়ে নয়ন নীরে সদা ভাসরে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে। রাধে গোবিন্দ 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 বলে সদা ডাকরে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে। জয় রাধে রাধে কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ গোবিন্দ গোবিন্দ বলো রে।
Joy Guru. Reading from Holy Book Satyanusaran. All you who would devotees be with hope for name and riches, don't make me your Lord and Master. Beware, if mastery within awakens not, Master, Center, none you have, and deceiving you shall be deceived. Take to the feet of a true Master. Go on taking the holy name, and remain in the company of the devout. Truly I say, you have no more to worry for your elevation. Peace, peace, peace. Joy Guru.
Jai Guru, reading from the English version of Holy Book Nari Niti. O my daughter, let your service, way of conduction yourself, thoughts and words, induce such an impulse among men in general that they regard fully kneeling before you with heads bent, become charmed, enlightened, satisfied, and gratified in calling you in a deeply reverential tone, my mother, my progenitress. Then only are you a daughter, then only are you a chaste woman. Nursing and negation of nursing. Nursing is that which makes one hale, normal, elevated, and surcharged with urge of becoming. Ignoring these, where there is only caring, that caring invites nothing but negation of nursing only. Jai Guru.
Jai Guru. Now a kirtan using the poem composed by Mata Sri Sri Manmohini Devi. She used the first syllables of each line of this poem to name her divine child, Anukul. In his long illustrious life, Sri Sri Thakur was an embodiment of this poem. Akule Porile Dinohino Jane. Kirtan is presented by our family and Jewel Sharkarda from Calgary on tabla. Jai Guru. Jai Guru. Akule Porile Dinohino Jane. Nuai Ashir Kohiyo Katha Udite Tare Shedho Prano Pone Lakho Kore Tar Nashiro Batha Udite Tare Shedho Prano Pone Lakho Kore Tar Nashiro Batha Joy Guru. Jajan is one of the three pillars of Sri Sri Thakur's Diksha. Now our beloved SPR Rahul Thakur will enlighten us with his Jajan. Rahul Da is joining us from Bangalore, India. Joy Guru.
At the outset, I bow down at the lotus feet of love incarnate Param Premamoy Shri Shri Thakur Anukul Chandra. I bow down before Paramaradhya Jagat Janani Shri Shri Bodama. I bow down before Param Pujyapat Shri Shri Borda. And I bow down before the guide exemplar Param Pujyapat Acharya Dev Shri Shri Dada. My heart is Jai Guru, love and regard to all the ideal adherents and lovers of existence. Can't express how immensely fortunate I feel to be able to express the existential views on the eternal path of light and life. As we celebrate the 133rd holy birth anniversary of our loved Lord, the King of our hearts, Param Premamoy Shri Shri Thakur Anukul Chandra. The divine has descended down in flesh and blood as the savior of mankind, as the savior of humanity, as the savior of creation, to guide each one of us on the eternal path of light and life, being and becoming. And even after him leaving his mortal frame more than half a century ago, the divine place is still at work through the Acharya, who is ever alert, ever awake, lest we should slip off the path of light and life. Thakur is the living embodiment of love, the love incarnate, the living embodiment of existence, the living embodiment of being and becoming, the living embodiment of light and life. How else can one describe him but as the human manifestation of love, who as a child on a chilly winter day with the only woolen piece of cloth around him covering him from the chilly winter, when he goes and sees his classmates sitting on the cold floor, doesn't hesitate even for a moment to cut it into pieces and spread it on the floor so that his friends don't need to suffer. How else can we describe the personality who, on a stormy day, when people were scared to even put a step outside their shelters, goes out running? Why? Because some elderly blind man in the distance had fallen in a ditch. His feeble physical strength unable to withstand the gush of wind and water. Thakur goes, pulls him out of the ditch, walks him home safely. And the man proclaims, "You are my Lord. Who else is there to come at this hour and save me?" How else to describe the personality who as a child, when walking back home on that stormy day, when he sees a hawk withered by storm, comes and alights himself on his shoulders, Thakur stands still to give sufficient rest to the withered hawk, and walks again only after hawk has taken sufficient rest and flies again. How else to explain his love, who while going to school to deposit his examination fees with the confined financial resources that he had, finds his friend weeping. Upon inquiry, finds out that the friend doesn't have money to deposit his school fees, examination fees. Thakur goes to his school and deposits fees in the name of his friend, and is not worried even in a bit, not bothered even a bit. Rather, he is in extreme joy seeing the success of his friend. How else to define him than the living embodiment of love? The personality who, because of the financial constraints during his student days, used to live along with coal mine workers who were unaware of the life principles of health and hygiene. In their absence, Thakur used to wash their clothes because these principles of health and hygiene were unknown to them. Thakur used to wash their toilets so that none should suffer, none should fall ill. He could not withstand the sufferings of others, even in the least. How else to define the magnetic charm? The embodiment of existence that he was, as he had very few pennies left with him, hardly enough for a meal, finds out his friend is in financial distress, goes out and gives whatever he had to help his friend, and as a result had to spend the next couple of few days without food, just drinking the water running out of a tap. That is the personality we celebrate today, who has descended to save each one of us, the entire humankind, the entire creation, out of the clutches of our passion-tainted ways, so that we lead a life of bliss. Satsang, the organization which we understand, know today as the man-making institution, was never a conscious effort to build an organization as such. It has naturally evolved out of the magnetic personality of Sri Sri Thakur, out of his innate urge to save each one of us, to help each one of us evolve the personality which the Almighty wants us to become. It is rightly said, a man is created by God out of his own image. We are all minuscule forms of the same Almighty. We are all minuscule images of the Father, the Supreme. As the dew is able to hold sun within itself, so each one of us have potential to awaken Him within us. What is it that we as humans hanker for? Each one of us, the basics within whatever we do, the intention always lies at the basics of existence and growth. Each one of us want to exist and then to grow. And it is only these hankering with which whatever we do, all our actions are intended to achieve this. And our passions are intended to help us, serve us achieve this. When we are born, God sends us with intellect, conscience and passions. Passions to help us achieve evolution. Passions to help us translate our potential, our possibilities into reality. But on the contrary, when we become subservient to these passions, when the passions starts guiding us, when we no longer have control over them, that is when we become self-centered. That is when the road to evolution is obstructed. Because when we become self-centered, thereafter we can do no good either to ourselves or to our environment. So to harness the potential to the fullest, we will need to hold on to the living embodiment of that achievement, the human manifestation of that evolution. As kindness can only be perceived by seeing a person in which kindness has been realized by a kind person. So, evolution, perfection can be achieved only by active attachment to the perfect soul, to one who has achieved that perfection. That immense potential, possibilities that God has bestowed us with can only be attained through active serviceable adherence to man, in which these attributes have been normally achieved, realized. I'd like to quote the famous Nobel laureate, Dr. Alexis Carrel. He says, "It is impossible to love an abstraction. One will sacrifice oneself for one's leader, but not for an idea. Man will never enthusiastically obey the laws of rational conduct unless he considers the laws of life as the commands of a personal God. We need a God who hears us, loves us, and responds to us." This is precisely the reason. We could ask, why hold on to Thakur? Why there is a need for a living guide? This is precisely the reason. We need someone who is not merely confined in a photograph, who is not merely a topic of an intellectual tabletop discussion. If we need to achieve perfection, if we need to evolve, we'll need to actively attach ourselves to a living embodiment of that evolution, living embodiment of that realization of potential into reality. As a sports person evolves only after an active adherence, surrender to a coach. The doer is always the self. But unless there is a surrender to a guide who is able to lead him towards reality, lead him towards the translation of possibility into reality, success does not come. So we as humans, if we have to come out of our entanglement of passion-tainted walk in life, we will need to do the way it can be achieved. We'll need to hold on to the living guide who is the cause of all the causes. Knowing him, nothing remains to be known. Who is the human manifestation of perfection? Who is the upholding urge of all that exists? Merely appreciating him is not going to serve any purpose. We'll need to understand how to achieve bliss. And for that, we'll need to sow him within us, so as he prospers. We'll need to give him that privilege to be able to guide and goad us towards light and life. To reap the fruits, we'll need to sow the supreme consciousness of all the creation. Let us come, hold on to Thakur, get initiated, surrender, and achieve him through active, serviceable adherence. There are thousands of scriptures, thousands of pious literature, each filled with all the ways of achieving bliss, without demeaning or belittling any one of them. Let us introspect how much of it has ever been able to bring about the transformation that we desire out of us. The transformation is only possible through love and love alone, active, serviceable adherence. Thakur says, a man is shaped and fashioned by what he loves. Let us introspect. Through the time that our conscious memory allows us to go back, any adjustment that has ever happened which is blissful, becoming, and sustainable has only been through a loving attachment for someone. Let us allow him to occupy the throne within. Let us ensure he is awakened within, because Thakur is not an idea. Thakur is not the God in the skies. Thakur is not the God confined within the frames of a photograph. Thakur is the cause of all that exists. Thakur is the consciousness of all the creation. And to achieve bliss, to achieve that supreme consciousness, all we need to do is to awaken him within each one of us. To awaken and realize him within us, which should be possible not through discussions and debates and deliberations alone, but through showing him within us, through being initiated, through surrendering, through allowing him to be the coach of my life, through giving him that privilege to harness the potential that I stand for, that Lord has bestowed with me with. And that alone will allow him and will allow me to translate the potential, the possibilities with the Almighty, with the Father, the Supreme has bestowed us with, be translated into reality. With these words, I pray at the lotus feet of the Almighty that He bestows each one of us, one and all, with peace and blissful becoming. Vande Purushottamam, adorations to fulfill are the best.
Jai Guru. Thank you, Rahulda, for a very inspiring discussion. We pray to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur for your Shapariparshik Jiban Vriddhi. It's now time for another bhajan, Prem Mera Prabhu, presented by Ishtapran Rastanay Boshuda from Toronto. Jai Guru.
प्रेम मेरा प्रभु मेरी आराधना तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए प्रेम मेरा प्रभु मेरी आराधना तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए सकल करम की मेरी भावना तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए अंतर में तुम रहते जीवन नाथ अंतर में तुम रहते जीवन नाथ दुनिया में तुम बिन किसका साथ टूटे मेरा भव का बंधन तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए प्रेम मेरा प्रभु मेरी आराधना तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए मोह के फेर में मन कंगाल मोह के फेर में मन कंगाल प्रेम की भिक्षा भर दो दयाल शून्य हृदय मेरा प्यासा है तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए प्रेम मेरा प्रभु मेरी आराधना तेरे लिए प्रभु तेरे लिए मालिक मेरे जीवन के कारण
मालिक मेरे जीवन के गायन तेरे सुर से लावित मेरा मन। जगत में सब कुछ सुंदर लगता तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए। प्रेम मेरा प्रभु, मेरी आराधना तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए। सकल कर्म की मेरी भावना तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए। प्रेम मेरा प्रभु, मेरी आराधना तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए प्रभु, तेरे लिए।
Joy Guru. Thank you, Rastanaida, for the beautiful song. May Sri Sri Thakur bless you and family with Nirantar Ishtanishtha. Next event is Jajan by our beloved SPR Sanjeev Dasda from Hamilton. Joy Guru.
Joy Guru to all. I bow before the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur, Parama Aradhya Jagat Janani Sri Sri Barma, Param Pujyapada Sri Sri Borda, and present Acharya Dev Sri Sri Dada, and also all the reverend family members of Thakur family. Brothers and mothers, my respect, love, and Joy Guru to you all. Today I am very fortunate to get a chance to speak few words about my loved Lord Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. Before I start, I like to request everyone to think about your own life. The thing is, we have grandparents. Think about your grandparents, those who have seen or who have not seen. How was their life and how is your life? How the things have been changed over the years. So probably I can say that human civilization is evolving every day. We are trying to conquer the world, even above the world. We are trying to reach to the planets. We are trying to explore a lot of things every day over the years. But have we explored ourselves at all? Do I know what is the purpose of my life? Even if I know, how do I make that happen? What do I need to do to make my life peaceful, joyous, and enjoyable? A lot of us are struggling. Especially in this pandemic, we are at a loss. We don't know what to do. We don't know how to reduce my frustration, anxiety. Probably that is the reason I need someone where I can rely, where I can talk, where I can express my emotion with only him and myself. That's why we need someone who we can call guide, who we can call ideal. This is the need for every individual's life. This is not the want. And Sri Sri Thakur, in most of our life, are acting as a guide to save us, to give us a strength, to give us energy, to fulfill my purpose, to explore my tremendous potentiality that everyone has. Think about other thing I like to share. Think about your family, your children. When they are very young, sometimes I also observe that sometimes they are happy. Within an hour they are sad. Within an hour they are angry. Their mood, it gets changed very frequently. When they are sad, it does not last long. But in our case, what happened when we are sad? Most of the time we are depressed. It lasts long. Have you ever thought of that? Why? When I think about that, I feel that at that age, they are fully surrendered to their parents. They don't need to think what will happen tomorrow. What will happen maybe after a couple of hours. So if we can implement that in our life, if we can surrender to someone, then we don't need to think what will happen tomorrow, what will happen after years, what will happen after hours. That is the trick that I like to request everyone. Surrendering to someone, surrendering to your ideal is very important. It's exactly same as what your children do at the young age. They don't need to think of that. And the other thing I like to request, I know we are surrendering to him, we are practicing what he said, but it is more clear when we see someone that has implemented that. We are very fortunate we got Acharya Dev Sisi Dada and Thakur family. Whatever Thakur said, at one place Thakur said, his life is a materialized maxim. You can exactly see that when you go to Deoghar. When you see Acharya Dev, what Thakur said exactly implemented in someone's life. We have a lot of flaws in Thakur family. You can see what Thakur says and how they are following and they are encouraging hundreds of thousands of people to follow them. That is the trick I like to share today. Dadara এবং মায়েরা, আপনারা যারা এখন আছেন, আমি তাদেরকে বলবো, আপনি যদি আপনার যে গ্র্যান্ড প্যারেন্টসরা আছে, আমার যে যারা দাদু দিদা আছে, আমরা যদি তাদের দিকে দেখি, আমরা একটা পরিষ্কার একটা ডিফারেন্স দেখতে পাবো। তাদের জীবনে অনেক কিছু ছিল বা ছিল না, আর এখনকার জীবনে অনেক কিছু আছে বা নাই। তার মানে এই বিশ্বটা খুব দ্রুত পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে। আমরা পৃথিবীতে অনেক কিছু আবিষ্কার করছি, পৃথিবীর বাইরে গ্রহ থেকে গ্রহান্তরে ছুটছি, কিন্তু আমাদের বড়ই দুর্ভাগ্য, আমরা নিজের অন্তরটাকে চিনতে পারি নাই, আমরা নিজের ইনার সাইডটাকে আবিষ্কার করতে পারি নাই। আমার জীবনের উদ্দেশ্যটা বা কি, আমি এখনো সেটা জানি না। আমি যদি জানি উদ্দেশ্য, সেটাকে কিভাবে বাস্তবায়ন করা যায় সেটা জানি না। আমরা আজকে কতই দুর্ভাগা। সেজন্য আমাদের জীবনে এমন একজন দরকার, যাকে ধরলে পরে আমরা সেসব জিনিস জানতে পারবো, যাকে ধরলে পরে আমার জীবনটাকে কিভাবে আনন্দময় করে তুলতে পারবো সেটা আমরা জানতে পারবো। আমাদের কি সৌভাগ্য আমরা যারা শ্রী ঠাকুরকে পেয়েছি এবং তার নির্দেশিত পথে চলছি, তার হয়ে ওঠার চেষ্টা করছি। আমরা প্রত্যেকটা আমাদের যে আনন্দময় যে পরিবেশ, সেটা আমরা বুঝতে পারি তাকে ধরে চলার মধ্যে দিয়ে। আপনারা অনেকের বাড়িতে ছোট ছোট ছেলে মেয়ে আছে, আপনারা দেখবেন যখন বাচ্চারা এখন কাঁদছে, এখন হাসছে, এখন আবার ঠিক হয়ে গেল, এই যে তাদের যে পরিবর্তন, সেটা কি কখনো লক্ষ্য করেছেন? কেন তাদের কোনো কিছু দীর্ঘস্থায়ী হয় না, আর আমাদের একটা কিছু পেয়ে বসলে সেটা দিনের পর দিন মাথায় থাকে, সেটা থেকে বেরোতে পারি না। একবার কি ভেবে দেখেছেন কেন? আমার তো মনে হয় এই বয়সে বাচ্চারা তাদের মা বাবার প্রতি পুরোটা সারেন্ডার করা আছে। তারা ভাবছে না কালকে কি হবে, 1 ঘন্টা পর কি হবে, কি খেতে হবে, তাদের কোনো চিন্তা নেই। কারণ জানে তারা মা বাবা আছেন, তাদের কেউ না কেউ আছে যারা তার জন্য চিন্তা করছে। কোনো ভাবনা চিন্তাহীনভাবে দিনটা কাটায় একটা বয়স পর্যন্ত। আর আমরা যারা বড় হয়েছে, অনেক কিছু বুঝি, জীবন সম্পর্কে বুঝি বলে দাবি করি, তারা কিন্তু ভাবনাহীন জীবন কাটাতে পারে না। দাদারা ও মায়েরা, কেন? আমরা কি পারি না তাদের মতো কারো কাছে সারেন্ডার করতে, পুরোটা সমর্পণ করতে, জীবনটাকে ভাবনা চিন্তাহীন, টেনশনহীন, অ্যাংজাইটিবিহীন করতে পারি না? আমরা যদি প্রভুর চরণে যদি সমর্পণ করি সব কিছু, মন প্রাণ দিয়ে সারেন্ডার যদি করি, আমার প্রবৃত্তিটাকে সারেন্ডার করি, তাহলে দেখবেন আমার ভাবনা চিন্তা আর থাকবে না। ওই আপনার ঠিক একই বাচ্চার মতো আমাদের সেই বাচ্চার মতো করে সহজ সরলভাবে তার কাছে সম্পূর্ণ সমর্পণ করতে হবে, তাইলে কিন্তু আমাদের জীবনটা আনন্দময় হবে, উপভোগ্য হবে। আর একটা কথা আমি বলবো, ঠাকুর এক জায়গায় বলছেন, আমরা তার অনেক কিছু বলা আছে, কিন্তু সেটা একজন মানুষের জীবনে কিভাবে বাস্তবায়ন হয় সেটা যদি দেখতে চাই, আমাদের শ্রী শ্রী দাদার কাছে যেতে হবে। তার এবং তার পরিবার, ঠাকুরের প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস যে মানুষের জীবনে বাস্তবায়িত হয় এবং হলে পরে জীবনটা যে কীরকম হয়। আজকে পৃথিবীতে লক্ষ লক্ষ লোক শ্রী শ্রী দাদাকে দেখার জন্য এই প্যান্ডেমিকে যেতে পারে না বলে অনেকের, লক্ষ লক্ষ লোকের মন খারাপ। ঠাকুর এক জায়গায় বলছেন, তিনি যে বাণী দিয়েছেন তার বাণীগুলি হচ্ছে তার জীবনে মূর্ত হয়ে উঠেছে, তার বাণী তার জীবনের মূর্ত হয়ে উঠেছে। আপনি যদি শ্রী শ্রী দাদাকে দেখেন তাহলে দেখবেন ঠাকুরের প্রত্যেকটা বাণী শ্রী শ্রী বর্দার জীবনে, শ্রী শ্রী দাদার জীবনে, পরম পূজনীয় বাবাই দাদার জীবনে এগুলো মূর্ত হয়ে উঠেছে। সেই জন্য আমরা যারা দেওঘরে যাইনি, আমি সবাইকে রিকোয়েস্ট করব, আমরা আইডিয়াল জানি শ্রী শ্রী ঠাকুর আমার আইডিয়াল, কিন্তু সেটা আমি যদি চোখে না দেখি সেটা আমার কাছে আইডিয়া হয়ে যাবে, সেটা পরিষ্কার হবে না। ঠাকুর তো বলছেন এক জায়গায়, হোয়াট ইউ ডু দ্যাট ইউ বি, হোয়াট ইউ বি দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ। অর্থাৎ করবি যেমন পাবিও তেমন, এই দুনিয়ার রীতি। আপনারা সবাই ঠাকুরকে ধরে চলেন, আমরা সবাই তাঁর হয়ে উঠি, এই প্রার্থনা প্রভুর চরণে। জয় গুরু, বন্দে পুরুষোত্তম।
Joy Guru. Thank you, Sanjeev Da, for an enlightening discussion. May Sri Sri Thakur bless you and family with Nirantar Ishtanishtha. In the next event, it's a Kirtan, Kan Pete Shon. It is composed by Parama Pujyapad Acharyadev Sri Sri Dada and music by Pujaniya Babaida. The Kirtan is presented by Ishtapran Iman Das Da and his family from Toronto, Ontario. Jai Guru.
আর কতকাল থাকবি দূরে, আর কতকাল থাকবি দূরে, বেলা যে তোর বয়ে যায়, আয় রে তোরা, আয় রে আয়, কান পেতে শোন ডাক এসেছে, আয় রে তোরা, আয় রে আয়, তোরা আর কতকাল থাকবি দূরে, আর কতকাল থাকবি দূরে, বেলা যে তোর বয়ে যায়, আয় রে তোরা, আয় রে আয়, কান পেতে শোন ডাক এসেছে, আয় রে তোরা, আয় রে আয়, ওই জীবন নাথে ভুবন ভরে ডাক দিয়ে যায় ঘরে ঘরে, জীবন নাথে ভুবন ভরে ডাক দিয়ে যায় ঘরে ঘরে, মরণ করে নেতা হারে, মরণ করে নেতা হারে, মরণ করে নেতা হারে, মরণ করে নেতা হারে, এমন সুযোগ কে হারায়, এমন সুযোগ কে হারায়, ওরে এমন সুযোগ কে হারায়, ওরে এমন সুযোগ কে হারায়, ওরে এমন সুযোগ কে হারায়।
বরণ করে নেতাহারে এমন সুযোগকে হারায় 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 আয় রে তোরা আয় রে আয় কান পেতে শোন ডাক এসেছে আয় রে তোরা আয় রে আয় ওরে ভ্রান্ত যারা ব্যতীত যারা আর্ত যারা নয়ন খোল ভ্রান্ত যারা ব্যতীত যারা আর্ত ওই মুক্তি বিলান দয়াল ঠাকুর মুক্তি বিলান দয়াল ঠাকুর শুনিস নাকি কলরুদ মুক্তি বিলান দয়াল ঠাকুর শুনিস নাকি কলরুদ আর কৃপাতে সবাই ভবে জাগবে বাঁচার মুহূর্ত শোবে তার কৃপাতে জাগবে বাঁচার মুহূর্ত শোবে করবে সবার তারে রবি করবে সবার তারে রবি করবে সবার তারে রবি করবে সবার তারে রবি কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় ওরে কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় ওরে কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় ওরে কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় করবে সবাই তারে নবী কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় করবে সবাই তারে নবী কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় করবে সবাই তারে নবী কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় কাটিয়ে সকল বেদনায় আয় রে তোরা আয় রে আয় কান পেতে শোন ডাক এসেছে আয় রে তোরা আয় রে আয় ওরে দেখ না নয়ন ভরি ওরে দেখ না নয়ন ভরি ওরে দেখ না নয়ন ভরি নয়ন ভরি আজ মরণ তারণ নাম বিলিয়ে বেড়ান দয়াল হরি আজ মরণ তারণ নাম বিলিয়ে বেড়ান দয়াল হরি ওরে দেখ না নয়ন ভরি আর ভয় কি মোরা করি আর ভয় কি মোরা করি এবার মরণ জয়ী নাম বিলিয়ে করব আপন সব হরি মরণ জয়ী নাম বিলিয়ে করব আপন সব হরি আর ভয় কি মোরা করি আর ভয় কি মোরা করি ভয় কি মোরা
মোরাতে বইবে পানি আমের তরি বাটিয়ে মোরাতে বইবে পানি আর বইটি মোরা করি বইটি মোরা করি আর বইটি মোরা করি আর বইটি মোরা করি আয় রে তোরা আয় রে আয় কান পেতে শোন ডাকে সেতে আয় রে তোরা আয় রে আয় জয় গুরু
Jai Guru. Thank you, Imanda and family, for a mesmerizing kirtan. May Sri Sri Thakur bless you all with Nirantar Ishtanishta. Next, we will have our beloved Shanukumarda from Montreal. He will share his perception about the need of a living ideal in our lives. Jai Guru.
Offering my Koti Koti Pranam to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Boroma, Sri Sri Borda, Acharya Dev Sri Sri Dada, and to the entire Reverend Thakur family. Jai Guru to all my brothers, sisters, Guruma and Guru Bhai. Today, on this holy occasion of 133rd birth anniversary celebration of Sri Sri Thakur, I have been given this golden opportunity to speak over some of the ideologies of Sri Sri Thakur. I am fortunate enough to have this opportunity today and would like to speak over one of the topic that was told by Thakur, the purpose of human life. What does a man long for? From the beginning of the existence, a man has always wanted to live and grow, to keep his existence intact and expanding. A man does everything to fulfill these two desires of their life. He always struggles to achieve these two goals of their life. And in order to achieve that, sometimes a man becomes servant to his own passions. When a man becomes servant to his own passions, he will gradually become self-centered, which means a man cannot grow and he cannot do any good either for himself or for the society or for his environment. Thakur says, unless a man attains mastery over his passions and becomes free from the rules of their passions, his intellect and conscience cannot play to its fullest potentials. Next, he says, and this is only possible for any of the human or any of the person when he or she accepts an ideal, a living guide, and follows them, because it is the living guide or the ideal who knows the art of living. They tells us how to lead our life blissfully, how to make our life good, how to live our life peacefully. They know how to live the life normally without being servant to their own passions. Sri Sri Thakur says, and this is taken from one of the Adarsh Vinayak sayings of Sri Sri Thakur. The objective of life is the realization of God, and the means of achieving this is through active attachment to the master. Through this comes adjustment to the self, adjustment to the family, adjustment to the society, and adjustment to the state, and to proceed towards uplift with all that are there through the adjustment of the state, forging link with the whole world, and to make all these realized in God. And the supreme awakening from the achievement is just this. I think the first step towards the welfare of the society is the acceptance of an ideal, a true master in anyone's individual's life. Know it for sure that without active attachment to a living ideal or a true master or a guru, a man cannot adjust with either himself or with his family, his society, or even with his state. Remember, at this time of crisis also, when entire nation are plagued with the illness and conflict, everybody is trying to make their life peaceful. Everybody is trying to be normal. At this point of time also, it is our Thakur who shows us the way to eternal peace and the well-being. I think by adhering to such a living ideal, man's existential walk of the life begins. Therefore, it is very, very important for any of the human being to get initiated by his acharya or a living ideal. An initiation for a man is like his second birth. Through initiation, a man comes to know about various ideologies, various ways, various facts of living his life blissfully and peacefully. A living ideal is the one who has already attained the realization and knowledge by doing that. So, a man should practice the ideologies and tips that he has learned over a period of time from his master, from his acharya. Only such a man knows the clues of how to uphold and nurture the existence. So I think it's very, very important for every human being to go to the feet of an ideal, to come under a big umbrella of acharya. So with this, I would like to take a halt over here, and also would like to urge all my listeners over here today to come under the lotus feet of the ideal, who is the fulfiller of life and makes everyone's life blissful. Stay safe, Jai Guru and Vande Purushottam.
Jai Guru. Thank you, Shanukumar Da, for an inspiring discussion. May Parampita bless you and family with Nirantar Jivan Briddhi. I remember a song from early days, Sat Sango Prem Karo Anneshon, Radha 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 Bolo Anukkhan. Now, at the end, let us pray to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur for the well-being and growth of everyone in the world.
Vande Purushottamam,
Vande Purushottamam,
Vande Purushottamam,
Vande Purushottamam,
Vande Purushottamam,
Vande Purushottamam,
Param Premamoy Shri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra Ji ki
Joy,
Param Premamoy Shri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra Ji ki
Joy,
Param Premamoy Shri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra Ji ki
Joy,
Param Aradha Jagat Janani Shri Sri Barma ki
Joy,
Param Aradha Jagat Janani Shri Sri Barma ki
Joy,
Param Aradha Jagat Janani Shri Sri Barma ki
Joy,
Param Pujapada Pradhan Acharya Dev Shri Sri Barda ki
Joy,
Param Pujapada Pradhan Acharya Dev Shri Sri Barda ki
Joy,
Param Pujapada Pradhan Acharya Dev Shri Sri Barda ki
Joy,
Param Pujapada Acharya Dev Shri Sri Dada ki
Joy,
Param Pujapada Acharya Dev Shri Sri Dada ki
Joy,
Param Pujapada Acharya Dev Shri Sri Dada ki
Joy,
Sat Sango ki
Joy,
Sat Sango ki
Joy,
Sat Sango ki
Joy,
Vande Arya Pitrin
Vande Arya Pitrin,
Vande Matrivargan
Vande Matravargan,
Vande Aham Krishti Devatam
Vande Aham Krishti Daivatam,
Vande Purushottamam
Vande Purushottamam,
Param Premamoy Shri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra Ji ki
Joy,